Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the debt-free box, Snowball Payoff app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Debt-free box is a debt management app designed to help users pay off their debts strategically using the Snowball Method. This approach focuses on clearing smaller balances first to build momentum and motivation. The app allows you to enter all your debts, including balances, interest rates, and minimum payments, and then automatically generates a structured payoff plan. It also offers progress tracking, payoff timelines, reminders, and visual charts to help you stay consistent throughout your debt-free journey. The app's main feature is its Snowball Payoff Planner, which prioritizes smaller debts while still keeping you on track with required minimums. It helps users stay organized, provides motivational progress updates, and makes it easier to understand how long it will take to become debt-free. Budgeting tools and customizable tracking options further support overall financial planning. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its simple interface, clear visual breakdowns, and the motivation it provides when smaller debts are eliminated quickly. It is especially useful for individuals who struggle with staying consistent or managing multiple loans at once. Users also point out that the Snowball Method helps create emotional momentum, which makes long-term payoff goals easier to maintain. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users may prefer the Avalanche Method, which focuses on high-interest debts rather than small balances, but Debt-Free Box is primarily built around Snowball only. A few users also mention limited customization options and occasional restrictions when tracking more complex financial situations. In addition, some advanced analytics found in other finance apps may not be available here. In summary, the Debt-Free Box app may be worth using if you want a simple, motivational system to pay off debt using the Snowball Method and need visual tools to stay consistent. However, if you prefer an interest-optimized payoff strategy or need in-depth financial analytics, it might not be the best fit for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.